Now, a system of government similar to the Grand Coalition government formed by former President Mwai Kibaki and Raila Odinga in the wake of the 2007 election chaos has been proposed for adoption into the Constitution as a new structure to ensure inclusivity and reduce political conflicts in the future. The former head of civil service, that's Francis Muthaura, in his submissions to the Building Bridges Initiative team, says that the system of leadership will also help deal with the problem of negative ethnicity. Raila Mohammed tells us more.
The once powerful public servant told the BBI team that if the system of inclusivity was part of the constitution during the 2017 vote, then the bitterly divisive ending witnessed then would not have occurred. At the moment, Muthaura says tribe plays a major role in who captures power.
What I'm foreseeing here for sure is us having two dominant parties which compete.
Muthaura's proposal seeks to have the election winner and the first runners-up form government. The individual who comes second is automatically appointed Prime Minister, but Muthaura proposes that the President should not be allowed to fire the PM. Muthaura's idea takes cue from the Grand Coalition government formed after the 2007-2008 post-election violence, and he says if it worked for Kenya then in the future, that should be the way to go.
That was an experiment from a very tense episode, and they were able to form it and work. But here we are trying to say that this constitution is setting new rules that will overcome some of the things that created the tensions.
Also making submissions was the County Assembly's forum. They want more funding for the devolved units, even as they seek to define the role of the Senate.
Sometimes you find that instead of the County Assemblies being the first level of oversight, the Senate takes over. And therefore there's a feeling it is not very well prescribed in the Constitution. If there is another way of making sure that this actually happens, that this is the county assemblies are the first point of oversight before then it is brought up to the national level, then that would work.
Raila Mohammed, NTV.